Hello everyone, it's me KV64, and I'm sure the previous video you guys saw me. I've done unpacking the Pokemon Oreo and the Essential Mew, which in the end, I just only got one Oreo Mew, and this time I went to the shop and grabbed like 10 packs, and here we go, and hopefully I'll just get Oreo Mew again. Maybe, you never know, I might get 2 or 3, but we'll see. Now I'm just doing is start packing them and see what I pull. I've already been, starting pack, so as always, every pack you buy, you get like one random Pokemon, and obviously I just noticed like a Mew card's actually worth the value, so hopefully I'll get that also. And start unpacking. Okay, and I think that's it for my 10 pack of Pokemon Oreo. Trying to find Mew, which is obviously, it's actually, I'm gonna say the result is, I'm actually quite happy with the result I got because in the end, you know, I got 6 Mew, I believe I got 6 Mew Oreo, but obviously I've already, because from yesterday I kind of like, you know, ran out of space, so I already put it in the fridge, and also from 6 pack, you see, free Mew card. I also received a free Mew card, which actually not bad tip at all. Anyway, I think I'm gonna take a break from packing Oreo for now, and am I thinking to give away this Oreo when I go to the con, just pack it, just do free giveaway, and because you know I'm not gonna eat them all because obviously, you know, too much calories to eat them all. Anyway, I think that's it for now. If you really like my video, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.